blessings of God, the most merciful. This is Amir Sultan, QHSE Business International Chief Executive Officer, CEO. I hope you are following all my videos. Today I will be talking on chapter number 341. Before I proceed to chapter number 341, I would like all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button after doing that. Moreover, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Thank you so much. Chapter number 341 is about different type of PPEs, personal protective equipments. There are many different type of PPEs which are used all over the world wherever they are required to be used. So I will give you briefing about few of the most important PPEs which are used all over the world. First of all, just talk about safety masks. Safety masks are very important type of PPEs which are used all over the world, and people use for their to combat with the dust and other matters related to that. Recent outbreak of coronavirus in 2019, which subsided and finishes at in 2021. All of the world was using safety masks almost. That safety mask is also one type of PPE. So this PPE is basically used to combat for the dust and related thing for the humans to protect them the germs going inside their bodies. So that was most of the time generally people were using simple safety masks. In the mask there is another category which is known as filter mask N95, which has a filter attached to the mask which filters the dust and other particles which are not required to go inside the body to protect the humans from that. Then the other type of mask includes of half the covered mask with the goggles, the mask with the oxygen cylinders, a mask with the continuous supply of oxygen cylinders, and so on. So now I move on to safety goggles. In the safety goggles, there are different type of safety goggles which are used all over the world. The most generic forms are the white safety goggles and black safety goggles. White safety goggles are mostly used for plant operations, for on the machines, and the people who are doing there's some sport squash also. In the squash, people also use safety goggles in the sports. They are using for the manufacturing, the construction, and other processes in a lot of places all around the world. So the black safety goggles mostly used for the welding processes, where the light is intense and need to protect the eyes. And there are different type of goggles which is covered from the both areas, from the side lines also, to protect the dust to go inside. Those are fully covered goggles. These are used for the woodwork, carpentry, and so on. Now I move on to safety gloves. In this safety glove, there are different types of safety gloves which are used all over the world. The most generic forms are the simple sort of safety gloves which are made of cotton and cloth, which is used to carry out the things from one place to another to protect the hands. Then the one type of safety gloves is a mesh safety glove. The mesh safety gloves is used for protect for the woodwork, for the carpenters to protect their hands from the cutters while they are doing the woodwork. And then the different type of gloves inclusive of leather gloves, which is used for mostly welding and the oil things to carry out. And then the safety gloves, 11 kV safety glove, which is used for electrical safety, and so on. Now I'll move on to helmets. Safety helmets. Safety helmets are used for all the processes where there is a chance of fall of things on the head, like moving around the big construction sites where work is going on throughout on the tall story buildings, with the warehouses which have 6 or 7 or 3 or 4 like racks systems where the things have been placed there, and any places where people are bound to wear safety helmets to protect their heads where the fall of things can happen. Then comes up another type of helmet is climbing helmet. Climbing helmet should be used for all type of activities when person is climbing the stairs and other processes to protect their heads. In the climbing helmet is different from the simple safety helmet because it is completely joined with the person with the face, helmet never falls down from the person while the person is climbing at any angle on the high side on when it's climbing. Then comes up safety shoes. Safety shoes, there are two different types of main safety. There are many types of safety shoes, but today I will be telling you the most generic forms are electrical safety shoes, which are used by the personas when they are doing any type of electrical work to combat them from the any types of shocks, electric shocks to go through them. Then comes up another safety shoes is mechanical safety shoes. Mechanical safety shoes are basically having a steel toe with them, and they are used for all types of machine work and heavy lifting and sort of work in things where a fall of things on the feet can happen to protect their toes from the fall of things on the feet. So that shoe is having a steel toe with it, which protects their feet from the fall of things. And so on. There's earplugs. I will tell you something about that. Earplugs and earmuffs are used whenever there is sound more than 75 dB is present. These are used to protect the ears from the high noise. So if you need more details, if you need analysis, repeats, recommendation, you can contact me from anywhere in the world at +92 335 734 7400, and you can contact me on my another number at +92 314 639 700, and you can contact me on my three email addresses at amirsultanrana@yahoo.com, amirsultanrana@gmail.com, contact at qhscbusinessinternational.com. Even you can contact me on my company website at www.qhscbusinessinternational.com. Thank you so much.